How to delete a Spotify account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to delete a Spotify account, first of all what you need to do is launch a Google Play Store application on a device, or you can directly just go for Spotify application and make sure you have logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen and select on settings and privacy. Now tap on the account option at the top of the screen, and here you get to see the option of close your account option. So let's tap on close your account, and as you do that it will lead us to a new page. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on a device. As you check on the connection, you'll be landed on a new page where you'll be able to close your account or simply delete a Spotify account. So let's just go back and check the Spotify application over here, and you can simply now tap to continue to close your account. Now let's just tap on all of this information and select on continue to close your account. Now this is a process over here, so you just have to check the email and verify ourselves, and then we'll be able to delete our Spotify account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.